Hey guys, so here's the babies. We've got a violet Indian ring neck. Look at this. They scooped the dirt or the aspen up. It's so funny. What would you call that color? Tell me in the comments. Would you call it turquoise, baby blue, white? Look at this beauty hiding over here. Got a white baby. It's got actual like lavender. Stunning. Plus some crimson belly on your baby. Nice baby, what's that? Nice. Oh, they're so cute. They're gonna be looking for homes. Yes, they are. I want them to have good, loving homes. People here are gonna dote on them, give them a wonderful life. Right, baby? Look at all these babies. Oh, what a blessing.